How to hide uploaded photos on Facebook. Welcome to another Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show how you can hide your uploaded photos on Facebook easily. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel. The first thing we need to do is open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone. Select the menu button in the top right of the Facebook app, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then again select Settings. Then we need to scroll down just under Audience and Visibility. Here select Profile and Tagging. And then under Profile and Tagging, we need to scroll down just under Tagging. That will help us completely hide photos on Facebook. So go under Who Can See Posts you're tagged in on your profile. Choose Friends of Friends. Tap the Only Me icon. Now only you can see your tagged posts and photos. That's it. You've secured your privacy on Facebook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.